In this video, we'll cover exactly how to scrape data from financial reports using Browse AI, and I'll walk you through how this software can save you hours of manual work. If you're new to web scraping or just want a faster way to extract data from financial reports, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer on a free trial with Browse AI that will make getting started even easier. Let's dive into how this tool can transform your process. First, let's get a quick overview of what Browse AI is and why it's such a powerful tool for scraping data, especially from complex financial reports. Browse AI is an easy-to-use web scraping tool designed for users who need data from websites without writing any code. This means whether you're pulling data from financial statements, earnings reports, or any other web-based source, Browse AI makes it effortless. The software automates the extraction process so you can focus on what really matters, analyzing the data. To get started, head over to the Browse AI website and create your account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll notice is the simple interface. There's no need to be intimidated. Even if you've never scraped data before, Browse AI allows you to do it with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking at quarterly financial results or looking to pull raw financial data, Browse AI lets you create a robot to navigate the site and pull out the exact information you need. Let me show you how it works. Once you're set up, you'll click on the Create New Robot button. You'll then point Browse AI to the page with the financial report you want to scrape. This is the key step. Browse AI uses machine learning to understand the page structure, so you don't have to manually code the script or deal with complex data. You just click on the data you want to extract, like revenue numbers or earnings per share, and the software figures out the rest. Now, one of the best features of Browse AI is its ability to handle data from structured sources. Financial reports are often in formats like tables, charts, or PDFs. But with Browse AI, the tool extracts data directly from those tables, even if they're embedded in complex layouts. This is a huge time saver when compared to the traditional method of copying and pasting data or having to write your own scraping script. Once you've set up your robot and it's scraping the data, you can choose how you want that data delivered to you. Browse AI allows you to export the scraped data into formats like CSV or Excel, which is perfect for analyzing financial trends or compiling reports for your next big business decision. Another major benefit: Browse AI lets you set up automation. This means you can schedule your robots to run at specific times, say after quarterly reports are released, so the data is always up to date. No more wasting time manually pulling data every time a new report drops. The best part is you don't need coding skills to get started with Browse AI. The tool is designed for anyone, regardless of technical background, to automate web scraping. Plus, Browse AI takes care of the legal and technical concerns, ensuring that you can scrape data ethically and without violating any terms of service. If you're thinking about giving it a try, here's the best part. You can use Browse AI for free through the exclusive link below. That means you can start scraping data from financial reports with no upfront cost and explore all the features of this incredible tool for yourself. And don't forget, the free trial we're offering will give you extended access to try out even more of the premium features. So, if you need to scrape data from financial reports or any other source and want a tool that's simple, powerful, and scalable, Browse AI is the answer. Again, check out the link below to get your exclusive trial and start automating your data extraction today. Thanks for watching.